Hello everyone. Today we're going to be covering creating our first class. So we're at the point now where I feel it's necessary for us to start building out some content and creating our class layout. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So to create our first class, let's go to our dashboard, and all of our classes are going to be posts. So we're going to go to posts, and they're going to be organized by category. So we're going to go ahead and create a post, add new, and we're going to give it the title, What is Web Design? I'm going to go ahead and make it full width. And after that, we're going to create a couple categories. So as we see here, we only have one category right now, uncategorized, and that's standard with WordPress. So let's go ahead, and I want to offer my first 5 classes for free. So let's give it a category of free class. Add new category. Additionally, it's under the topic business development. So let's go ahead and give it a category of business development as well. This will kind of be the organized structure of our classes as we continue to develop content. And lastly, it's part of the topic getting started as a web designer. So let's go ahead and give it a topic of that as well. So if you're thinking to yourself, what do I give the categories? Like, okay, what do I call a category? If I'm creating a post, what category should I give? Well, in our case, in most cases when I'm building a site, I give category names based on what I imagine users filtering by. So if I think a user is going to be interested in free classes, then I want a category free classes. That way a user can filter by that. Same for business development and getting started as a web designer. So now we can publish it and move forward to start with our design. Let's publish. Let's go ahead and view the post. So to start designing our class page, go ahead and turn on the builder. And our first row is going to be our header, and it's going to contain the title of our class. So let's give the row a top and bottom padding of 10%. And let's drag a text element in there. Actually, let's go ahead and change this to 5%. So give it a top and bottom padding of 5%. And then in this area, let's give it the title of the post. So what is web design? And then give it a H1 heading. And let's then finally give this row a background of F9, F9, F9. Center the font too. And then let's duplicate it. And let's set the top version of it to not be visible from mobile. And then the bottom version, let's set it to a H3 heading. We'll go with an H3. And make it visible to only mobile devices. I should also note that this section will most likely be automated when we create our own custom header for our classes. That way we don't have to change it for each class. However, I want to check what it will look like, and I want to have all the different pieces of the website created before I go about setting like a definite layout, an automated layout for this page. So anyway, let's go ahead and add some content. So to add content, you can simply copy the text from the What is Web Design article that's live on the website currently, and you can place it in a text box in a new row on the page. So we'll create a new row, and let's go up here and we'll go to the current live site. There you go, popular article. So let's go ahead, copy all of this text, hop back over, drag a text element, let's paste it in there. Go ahead and give it a styling. Let's pad it. Let's give it 5%. How does that look? Looks good to me. Click done. Actually, let's go ahead and give this a 2% and then 5% at the bottom. I think that will make it look more like a class page. And that should be all about we need to do. I think we should keep it clean, keep it simple. We'll be changing the comment section later when we finalize our posts, and because we'll be coming back to edit this page. So that should be it. We have successfully created our first post in our first class. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for listening.